Hello students, today we will understand how to solve these kind of a questions which are the part of some competitive exams like Olympiad. Now in this question, if you will see, you will find it very difficult. But if I will break the numbers, if I will write on 289, if I write on 121, and if I want to calculate what is the square root of these numbers, then we already know the square root of 289 would be 17 times 17, which is equals to 17. And for 121, it would be 11 times 11 and the square root will be equals to 11. But now they have given you 0.289 and 0.00121. So don't get confused with this. Now let's understand how to solve such questions. So in this case, if I have to do, I will just write down 0.289. Now first we have to change it in terms of a fraction. It would be 289 over 1000, 17 into 17, and 1000 can be written as 10 into 10 into 10. That means the square root of this would be 17 over 10, because from this we will write down 117. From this pair we will write on 110 outside, and inside the square root it would be 1 over 10. That means we can write it as 17 over 10 and then square root of 0.1. Similarly, we can solve it for square root of 0.00121. So if I have to write down it in terms of a fraction, I will write down here 121 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have to add 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this can be written as 11 into 11 over 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. So I have to write down 10 5 times. Now out of that, this is a one pair, this is another pair. So if I have to write down the value here, it would be 11 over 10 into 10, and within the square root, it would be 1 over 10. That means it is equals to 11 over 100 and then square root of 0.1. I will keep this 17 over 10 square root of 0.1 and I will keep it as 11 over 100 square root of 0.1. Now let's solve square root of 0.289 over square root of 0.00121, which is equals to 17 over 10 square root of 0.1 divided by, because we are dividing it, divided by 11 over 100, then square root of 0.1. It's a fraction division. We can write it as 17 over 10 square root of 0.1 into, now this will become the reciprocal 100 over 11, and then this would be 1 over 0.1. Now this and this will cancel, 0 and 0 will cancel, and you will get 170 over 11. Now after solving the value for this, the next one is square root of 64 over 16. So 64 can be written as 8 into 8, 16 can be written as 4 into 4. We can write it as 8 over 4, which is equals to 2. So finally, if I have to calculate the value for all this, I will just write down 170 over 11 plus 2. I will take the LCM here. That would be 11. 170 plus 2 into 11, which is equals to 170 plus 22 over 11, which is equals to 192 over 11. And that is the answer for this question. So if you will see these kind of questions, do not get afraid of the question. Just try to solve them. Okay. And this is the way how you can solve it. I hope you understand the question very well. Try to solve these sort of questions and do write in the comment section if you have any other question for which I need to make a video. Thanks for watching.